Hey everyone, I'm Nino John, your Client Success Coordinator at Brandco. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can add Gravity Forms to your Property Press website. Forms are a great way to gather information from your clients. If you work a lot with condos and always ask the same information like what are your homeowner's fees, what amenities do you have, when was the last time your condo was updated, you can create a standard form to collect these information. It can be something as simple too. For example, if you hand out pies to your clients for Thanksgiving and want to see if they want apple or pumpkin, you can make a form for that too. So here's how to get started. Log in into the backend of your website and go to Forms, New Form, and then add a form title and your form description. Then create a form. Here are the few options we can select from drop down, radio buttons, and checkboxes. So right now we're adding checkboxes for our Thanksgiving pie form. I'm adding a label for my form and putting in select pie preference to let them know that they need to choose. Then I'm adding in their choices, pumpkin and apple. I only need two, so I'm removing the third choice by clicking on the minus sign. You can add choices by clicking on the plus sign, remove them using the minus sign. You can get into your form settings by clicking on Settings here or here from the Settings tab. You can set your form rules from here. Example, you can make these fields required or you can set the appearance and validation message. You can also set these fields to be visible or to be as hidden fields. And when you're finished setting it up, you can click on Save Form to create it. You can set where to send the submissions to. Just go to Forms, then click on Forms. You just hover on the form settings and click on Notifications. From here, you can hover on Admin Notification and click on Edit to go to its settings. By default, it will send notification to your admin email address, but you can specify the email address that you want these notifications to go to. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm sending this to my email address, john@brandco.com. Then saving it by scrolling down and clicking on Update Notifications. Now that we have our form and we're ready to collect the submissions, we are now going to add it into our page by going to Pages and clicking on All Pages. You can add this form into your existing pages, or you can create a new page for your form. In this example, we're creating a new page for our form by clicking on Add New. I'm adding in my page title and adding my form by clicking on Add Form. This will ask you to select a form. You just need to select it from the drop down and then click on Insert Form to add it into your page. It will add a form code, and when published, it will display the form in my page like this. You can also use Elementor to add your form. You just need to copy the code for the form and then delete it. Then let's open the Elementor editor by clicking on Edit with Elementor. We're adding in a single structure for our form. You just need to add a text editor within Elementor where you want to add the code and then click on Publish. If you're all set, then it will add it into your page. And that's it. You're on your way to becoming a form master.